based on your selection. If you win a lottery in Canada, the entire money is yours. You don't pay any taxes. Be it a million, 10 million, 80 million, the entire money is yours. Now, I don't know why I'm making this video, but I thought it can be helpful for some of you. Whenever I would walk into shopping mall or grocery store, I would find these forms kept all over the lottery ticket counter, and I was too shy to ask how to play a lottery. Now, that's what I'm going to explain in today's video. I'll show you everything what is here one by one. Before we even get into the video, know your limit, play within it. All of these have Encore. You can see here, play Encore. So any of these you buy, you can also add Encore with that. The retail store and pick this form. So this is pick 3 and this is how the slip comes. So each of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 represent 5 different tickets. So you can see here first, second and third. You have to pick number from each of these. Okay, like I'm picking now 1, 2, 3. This is my chosen number. Then you have this street play, box play. You have to select between both, anyone based on your selection, like how I made. Then you come and pick the amount what is given here. I want to play only $1. Once this is entered for $1, I've chosen this number and this is a street play. If I want, I can go for more number of ticket and can also add Encore here. With every Encore addition, so here you have to pick one of the number. In case you want 6 Encore, then you will go and cross the 6, $1 plus $6. You see here, $1 per play. So it becomes $6 here, 6 plus 1, 7. And then in case you want to go for up to 10 draw in a row, then you can go and make that set. So if you select 10, that means 6 plus 1, 7 into 10. $70 you pay and then you get the ticket from the retailer according. Now, the winning number drawn, I'm showing this on screen, how this works. This is going to give you an idea. To know the winning number, I have the OLG app on my mobile. That's the easiest. And once you have that and you scan, you get instant message on what happened. Congratulations, $2. So for this Lotto 649, I won $2 more. Again, likewise, when you scan, sometimes you get to play again, like you can see here, and sometimes you don't win. So these are the few options. You can also go to the retail outlet where they have the scanner and you can get to scan and see if you have had any winning. So friends, lottery is a game of luck and not everyone can win. I sometimes play for fun. There's nothing which can replace hard work and being smart. So when I say being smart, there are many other opportunities like having your own business, starting something which you are passionate about, dedicating time there and being smart about what you do. So there are many other videos you can go and watch on my channel where I have shown how to start a business, how we can go and find permit, licensing, all those aspects of business which might be handy to you, and you are not trying there on your luck but being smart and putting some effort towards your own success story. I hope this helps. Thank you.